In this video, I will show you step by step on how to turn your Facebook Messenger app from something like this to something like this and enable dark mode theme on Facebook app Messenger. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Facebook apps Messenger. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to enable dark mode on Facebook Messenger app. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to open up your Facebook Messenger app right here. So I'm going to click on here to open it. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on this three stroke at the top. Then you have to click on settings icon. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on dark mode. Then at this point here, click on. Boom. Once you are done, just click on this arrow to go back to your Messenger app. Then you have everything in dark mode, just like what you see right here. So this is how to enable dark mode on Facebook Messenger, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Facebook topic. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.